how to Google Translate PDF file. Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to translate a PDF file using Google Translate. Let's get started. First, go to translate.google.com on your computer. Next, click on the Documents tab. Click Browse your computer to upload the PDF file you want to translate. Select the original language of your PDF and the language you want to translate it into. Click Translate and wait for Google Translate to process your document. Once the translation is complete, you'll see the translated text on the screen. You can copy and paste it into a document editor for further use. And that's it. You've successfully translated a PDF file using Google Translate. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.